now it's my team, Open Guild, because like what I mentioned, I've been working in Web3 for many years, and it's always education is always lacking. Like for example, for this kind of very intimate workshop, I really like this because like you have the confidence to ask, right? We're very close to each other, and like the big conferences, it makes you like shy or embarrassed to ask. Like maybe I will ask a stupid question, right? Like never mind. But for this, we're building this because we really want developers, beginners to ask questions confidently. Like there's no bad question. So yeah, I'm Patricia. I was working directly for Polkadot, but now we founded our own team so we can teach and get more devs and maybe build more developers in Southeast Asia. For me in the Philippines, it's very hard to be honest. It's very hard to get developers because again, it's very technical. It's very boring to other people. So it's very like limited. So for example, for 100 people, there's only two people who would be very interested in technical um, like workshops like this. But that's the job. That's why we're here. So yeah, Open Guild is your first step to the Polkadot ecosystem, at least in Southeast Asia. So we connect with industry experts. So later I will connect with Sir Noah to help you polish your skills and knowledge, preparing you for a career in Web3 with Polkadot. What I realized for the past year working for Polkadot, since there's a lot of builders, there's a lot of parachains, there's a lot of entities and companies integrating Polkadot, there's a lot of need to for builders. You know, nagkakaubusan. Kaya ang mahal nila eh. Kaya hindi afford ng iba kasi ang taas, the demand is high, but the supply is very low. That's why we're here in Open Guild. We partner with PBA alumni. We are trying to always work closely with the founders, with the developers, with the CTOs. So just when we have like later on, I will tell you what we're doing. So our community can have like one-on-one. So when they ask something, then they have a good answer. So they can build confidently. So, okay, just an overview in a non-technical aspect. Polkadot is an ecosystem of interconnected blockchains, builders, apps, and users. So, blockchain is the foundation. So, builders are the one building on Polkadot. Well, kasi gawa ng Polkadot. So, may builders na. And then builders are creating apps. And then users are the one using the apps. So this is the whole ecosystem of Polkadot. It's not just a blockchain. It's not just a blockchain. It's more than that. And you can be part of it. So, like what I mentioned, so Substrate, they already introduced to you in a technical manner. So it's being used or integrated by EnergyWeb. This is a non-profit organization that's building blockchains only for energy industry. So they're using Substrate for that. Even Cardano Midnight Project is using Substrate. Avail Project, Mythical Games, this is a gaming studio. So they're also using Polkadot Substrate, Deloitte, Uniswap, Bitwise, and a lot more. This is what I'm telling you that there's a lot of companies building on Polkadot or using Polkadot. That's why we need a lot of developers. So yeah, these are just some of projects or companies or apps that are using Substrate or at least built on Substrate. And there's a lot more. I just picked what are interesting for me. So yeah, there's a lot. So this is the Polkadot ecosystem. So imagine even just one, let's say one application or one smart contract. They need, let's say, minimum of 10 developers, minimum of 5 engineers. They need a CTO. So these are the needs that we need in the ecosystem. That's why, again, I always say that because our objective for Open Guild is to provide developers to the ecosystem and for the developers to learn more and to strengthen their skills So just to share to you the past and an ongoing initiative to achieve, to provide Polkadot what they need, and also for developers to get what they want. So we have in real life workshops like this. These are mostly in Vietnam because again in Philippines, very small, at least in Manila, right? Or because we have Solana, the super team. So it's kind of hard to compete, but we will get there. Technical community call. So we do this every 2 weeks. So in the past, 3 community calls. We already talked about Pop Network, the Jam, because it was super hot. Also DePIN in Polkadot. So it's the Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network, DePIN. So yeah, we do also event sponsorships to meet more developers in Southeast Asia or wherever. Like for example, next week we will be in GM Vietnam. So we're just getting a lot more community members for Open Guild. And yeah, event organization. This was in Manila. These are KOLs and yeah. So we created this to introduce Open Guild and what we're doing for Polkadot. This one was in Thailand for Southeast Asia Blockchain Week, I think. I forgot. So yeah, we're building this at least for Vietnam and Philippines first because in Open Guild, at least 4 of us, they're from Vietnam and I'm the only one in the Philippines right now. So we have also this monthly mini hackathon. So this is very mini. This is like a tiny hackathon. So we give very simple solutions that you can solve and you can get at least I don't know like $200 $300 for solving that. So the goal is to like for you to know how to really build or how to solve something on Polkadot. So for this one, we are working with parachains. So I don't know if you're familiar with Tansy, with Fala Network. So we're using also our parachains to at least how do you say that? Like so they will be introduced also to Open Guild community. Yeah, so innovation recognition because in our Discord we have XPs. So the higher your level, the more benefits you get. And yeah, portfolio building. We also have GitHub. We have our own DevRel. He's based in Vietnam, but right now he's in PBA also. Yeah, skill development like I don't know, like Ink or Rust. Well, the goal is always for community members to learn Rust because that's the most challenging and most demand. There's high demand in knowing some or having someone who knows Rust. So yeah, I think one of the things that I'm proud with Open Guild, also to be specific with our DevRel, because it's very passionate, and all of us, the core members, were passionate into educating developers. So what is doing? So anyway, later on I will share to you the QR code of our website because there's a lot of courses, very easy course. So for you to contribute as a Filipino, you can propose a new idea and implement it as DApp. Okay? It's easy to say, right? No, okay, I'm gonna create a DApp. But you see, when they were presenting, like, oh my God, what code is this? How do you know that this is the right code to put in that stuff, right? It's so easy to say, but again, I think that's why we are doing this, and that's why I'm very interested to talk more with the presenters earlier because I really want to match our community with these intelligent people, right? Next. And then contribute to projects and learn as you build. I don't know if you're familiar. Anyway, you can check Polkadot Alpha program. So Polkadot Alpha program, it's like an ambassador program, but it's a technical program that you can join so what's going on in this program is for every technical changes in Polkadot, you can be the first to know about it, and you can try it, and you can experiment it, and then you can give your feedback if it's working or not. It's very, very good for technical people. Anyway, so that's why you can contribute and learn as you build, because there's a lot of technical people also building there. And yeah, languages that I personally don't understand. So yeah, workshops and events like this. So I'm very thankful that everyone is here for this workshop. You can participate or you can organize your own. For this workshop, we are very willing to fund or to source funding for this kind of events, because if there's no funding, there's no workshop, there's no education, there's no there's no pizza, there's no beer. Kasi natanggal na siya. Anyway, developers and engineers. So, for example, for Parity, they're looking for software engineer, to be specific, for compilers and virtual machines. So I don't understand that, but I put it there. Junior devs, DevRel lead, DevOps engineer for Energy Web. That's what I said earlier, Energy Web. And Bitport. Bitport is like music studio using Substrate. Yeah, so these are the benefits for joining Open Guild. We try to bring in as much experts. Minsan nga, we think that we have more experts than students or more experts than the community members. But I think that's a good vibe of the community if you have a lot of experts, and the community will be like going to you automatically because they know that they're in the right place. So yeah, networking with other developers. This is for mainly for events and workshops, improving technical skills for still connected to networking, building OSS with our DevRel, and yeah, career opportunities. This is like the sample of career opportunities I was talking to you about. This is just 6, but there's a lot more. Yeah, Parity is the technical company behind Polkadot. So this is where I was working. But right now, they removed all the marketing people because they want this marketing department to have their own initiatives in Polkadot, and they have to focus on building. So that's the goal. At least Gavin Wood wanted it that way. And DevOps for Energy Web, for Bitport, yeah. So yeah, I hope you join us. It would be very interesting to have Filipinos in Open Guild. We have some, but not as technical as this group, and not as interested as this group, at least. So I think that's it for me, and I really hope we can meet next time and we can all talk after this, online or offline. That's it. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Rich, for organizing this event.